it's not like a hitting anymore. Before I could definitely feel it like hitting the hard rubber. Just kind of smooth. Oh yeah. Because it would be like a hard hit before, because it was the harder rubber, where now it's softer, so it kind of is like more cushion. Yeah, it definitely seems a lot smoother than I would have expected. I never really noticed the factory bump stops being rough until you change them. Then you realize when you're hitting a bump with the factory ones, it's all hard rubber, abrupt stop, where with these, it's more of a gradual stop. Yeah, so I definitely think it's a lot smoother compression-wise, because the factory ones were just firm. When you would hit like a bump, it would just be firm hitting, where these ones are more like a pillow, just cushioning. Yeah, it's just super smooth.